Hey champions! Welcome back to FIMS Academy. Focus, inspire, motivate. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting, yet tricky chapters. Friction. A friend and a foe. And trust me, by the end, you'll not just understand it, you'll feel it. Question 1. What is friction? Imagine trying to push your heavy sofa across the floor. Ugh, it doesn't move easily, right? That invisible resisting force stopping it is called friction. In simple words, friction is the opposing force that comes into play when one object moves or tries to move over the surface of another. It resists motion between two surfaces in contact. Question 2. What makes friction come into existence? Good question. Friction isn't magic. It happens because 1. Surfaces are never perfectly smooth. They have tiny bumps and roughness. 2. When two surfaces touch, these microscopic irregularities interlock like puzzle pieces. So the rougher the surface, the stronger the grip, and the tougher the slide. Question 3. Explain the factors that affect friction. Okay, let's break it down. Friction depends on 4 major factors. Nature of the surfaces. Rougher equals more friction, smoother equals less. Force pressing surfaces together. More weight equals more grip, more friction. Nature of materials. Rubber gives high grip, ice gives super low friction. Presence of lubricants, oil, grease, polish reduce friction drastically. That's why when you spill oil in the kitchen, whoa, it becomes a skating rink. Question 4. Suggest 10 daily life activities where friction acts as a friend. Friction is your hidden superhero. Here are 10 times it saves your life. 1. Walking without slipping. 2. Writing with a pen or pencil. 3. Lighting a matchstick. 4. Driving vehicles without skidding. 5. Climbing stairs or hills. 6. Nails and screws staying in place. 7. Holding things in your hand. 8. Braking a bicycle or car. 9. Tying knots. 10. Playing outdoor games like cricket, football. Without friction, cricket balls would never stop, pens wouldn't write, and you'd slip while just standing. Question 5. Suggest 10 daily life activities where friction acts as a foe. But hey, friction also has a dark side. Sometimes it causes 1. Wear and tear of machine parts. 2. Wastage of energy as heat in engines. 3. Overheating of tires. 4. Slowing down vehicles. 5. Erosion of shoe soles. 6. Rubbing of skin causing blisters. Excessive friction in gears. 8. Wear of bicycle chains. 9. Furniture not sliding easily. 10. Loss of energy in electric motors. Friction says if I can be your friend, I can also be your enemy. Question 6. Name the types of frictional forces. There are mainly 4 types. Static friction stops motion before it even starts. Sliding friction, when one object slides over another. Rolling friction, when objects roll like tires, balls. Fluid friction drag, resisting force from liquids or gases. Fun fact, that whoosh sound of a car in rain, that's fluid friction at work. Question 7. How do we increase or reduce friction? Well, sometimes we want more grip, sometimes less. To increase friction, make surfaces rough, increase pressure, add treads to tires. To reduce friction, use oil, grease, lubricants. Smoothen the surface, use ball bearings. That's why skating shoes have wheels. Less friction, more fun. Question 8. What are fluids? Fluids are substances that can flow and take the shape of their container. Yes, that means both liquids and gases are fluids. Question 9. What is drag? Drag is the frictional force exerted by a fluid against an object moving through it. Example, an airplane pushing through air. Question 10. Why do birds and fish have streamlined bodies? Smart design. Their streamlined bodies reduce drag caused by air or water, so they move smoothly and use less energy. Question 11. Why do machines working in fluids have special shapes? Machines like ships, submarines, and airplanes are given streamlined shapes to reduce drag and move efficiently. Question 12. Compare the strength of all 3 types of friction. Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Reason? Static friction is strongest, it resists initial motion. Sliding friction is weaker. Rolling friction is weakest because rolling reduces surface contact. Fun facts about friction. Okay, smarty pants, let's spice it up with some fun. 1. Banana peels really are slippery. 2. Cats walk funny on tiles because of low friction. 3. Socks on polished floor, instant racing cars. 4. Rubbing hands makes natural heaters. 5. High heels on tiles equals accidental moonwalk. 6. Erasers work only because of friction. 7. Sandpaper has too much friction. 8. Ice skating works because ice cheats friction. 9. Tires have grooves to grip roads. 10. Your fingerprints are built-in grip boosters. Quiz challenge. Champs, let's test your brain power. Answer these in the comments. 1. Which is stronger, static or sliding friction? 2. Why do athletes wear shoes with spikes? 3. Give one example where friction is useful and one where it's harmful. I'll be checking answers. Let's see who becomes the friction master. Guys, that was the complete friction chapter, friend and foe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Because at FIMS Academy, we focus, inspire, and motivate you. See you in the next one. And remember, without friction, even this pen wouldn't write.